What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm unboxing a pair of collaboration sneakers that are actually releasing this weekend. I haven't actually seen them yet, I just knew that they were coming and I'm stoked to check them out. But first, I want to give a huge thank you to my friend Teddy. You guys might know him on YouTube as Oh It's Teddy for sending over some of his awesome clothing. This is actually one of his hoodies. I'm not sure exactly when this drops or if it already dropped, but it's awesome. And he also sent over a shirt that kind of has like a almost Rolls Royce logo. It's dope, but I'm not going to wear that in this video. I'll show you guys in the next one. So huge thank you to Teddy for sending this stuff over. It's much appreciated, and of course, I'm gonna rock it all the time because I don't have too many clean clothes. So this is gonna be my go-to for the next couple days. Is that too much information to share? But actually getting into the main purpose of the video, we've got today's unboxing. This is a box from a company called OTH, or Off the Hook. It's a Montreal-based sneaker boutique, and they've actually collaborated with a large sneaker brand to come out with a really awesome sneaker, which again, I have not yet seen yet. But I'm very, very excited to check it out. I really like their store a lot, and I'm hyped to see it. So let's pop this guy open. So inside the first box, we've got the Reebok's Classic box, and then also the OTH logo right there in the center, and the O of the Reebok. It's a size 9, which is my size, so I'm hoping that this shoe will fit true to size. It's the Electro 3D 97 unisex running. So let's pop this guy out and see what it looks like. I'm so excited for this. I have no idea what to expect. Oh, we got a note first. The note reads, "Hey homie, life is going way too fast. Here's a gift to slow things down. At OTH, we think of you and appreciate you. Harry and Angelo." Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate this. This is sick. And then also on the back, it looks like we've got an invite to an event that already happened in a town or a city that I don't even live close to. But I appreciate it anyway. Thank you guys so much. So let's bust open these sneakers and see what they look like. Really? Okay. Okay. These are sick. I didn't know what to expect with these, but first impressions, man. Whew. These are awesome. So these are the OTH, or Off the Hook, Reebok Electro 3D 97. And this is probably one of the cleanest collabs I've seen all year, including all the crazy ones like Off-White and Sakai and things like that. This collab, from first look, is really, really sick. I'm really surprised. I mean, usually when I get emails to check out shoes, I mean, I expect them to be cool, but I'm not expecting like, damn, that's dope. But damn, this is dope. This is really cool. So I'm checking out the press release for these shoes to kind of give you guys some background on why they look this way. And it says the Reebok OTH Electro 3D 97 takes inspiration from Montreal's snowbreak, where in a month-long period, our city's landscape is constantly changing. As ice, slush, and snow can still be seen in our streets, yet greenery is slowly peeking out of a few corners in the city. The shoe was designed using an underlying multicolored camo-like mesh as a base with the white leather and gray overlay, mimicking dirty snow covering some greenery. Okay, the colorway makes sense. It definitely looks like there's some grass peeking through some snow. You've got some dirty snow up there at the top. It's kind of funny that that's the idea behind this shoe, but I dig it. I still dig it. I think this is an awesome looking sneaker. So as the press release said, the toe of the sneaker is covered in white leather, and you've got the Reebok logo right there towards the midfoot of the shoe, sort of embossed into it, or I guess debossed into it. You've also got the very colorful plastic mesh covering a majority of the sneaker, and honestly is probably my favorite part of the shoe. It really makes the upper of this sneaker pop. So a majority of the outsole is white, but right there in the center of the heel, and actually a little bit in the center of the midfoot, you've got this really cool sort of iridescent blue that kind of has this almost green or purple hue to it, depending on what light you're looking at it in. Towards the top of the ankle on the lateral side, you've got this sort of dark maroon or almost brown colored panel. But then on the medial side, you've got this sort of army green color, which is really, really clean. The lacing system too is so different. The laces kind of weave through these almost like lace lock things in the center. They don't actually wrap all the way across the top of the shoe. They sort of zigzag like this on either side. That's so interesting. That's really, really cool. And then you've got OTH written on these nylon lace straps right there, which is pretty sick. Oh, and then you've also got this hit of hot pink towards the top of the shoe, right here around the pull tab. The right side says OTH and the left side just has the Reebok logo. Around the back of the shoe, you've got these forest green pull tabs. I also really like the shape of the shoe. It's kind of bulky, but it's not too bulky. It's got some nice sort of sleek lines to it, but it's also got some chunk to it and some heft. It's a nice sort of mix of like retro dad shoe with some more futuristic, sort of sleek vibes. Oh nice, you've also got a cork insole with some forest green printing, the OTH logo on the heel, and also this sort of hot pink hit right there in the center. Well, at this point, I feel like I really should try these on, see how they fit, see how they look on feet. Oh, it looks like we've also got 2 sets of laces too. That's interesting. So it looks like the shoe comes pre-laced with white laces, and then around the top eyelet you've also got some black laces with pink polka dots. That's kind of cool. I wonder if I can just leave these both in. I'm gonna try them on with both of these on. Okay, so I am very, very impressed with this shoe. It's pretty comfortable on foot. It's pretty nice. It's not like groundbreakingly comfortable, but it's still really soft, and I think that has a lot to do with the really plush sock liner. The padding around the ankle is awesome, and it actually continues sort of to the midfoot of the shoe, but it sort of stops, yeah, about midway down. Sizing wise, I would say that these do fit pretty much true to size. At least they fit me true to size. I have pretty narrow feet. I didn't feel like I had any issues whatsoever. If you have the chance to try this shoe on, or maybe another pair of Reebok Electro 3Ds, I would do that before you actually pick these up. Or if you just want to grab these online, you should be fine going true to size, to be honest. But I was impressed. I think these look really, really good on feet. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna pull out these black laces because I actually want to throw these shoes on. I don't think I was supposed to wear these with both laces in. I think that's just how they gave us the 2 lace options. Let me pull out this insole, see if it's cork all the way through. Okay, so it looks like you've only got a very thin layer of cork on the top and then foam for the rest of the insole, which I actually like because as nice as cork looks, it's not very comfortable. But because you've got foam underneath, it really pads the ride. And as much as I love the way that cork looks, I hate walking on it. So I'm really, really happy that they did this. I've got to be honest, I am very, very surprised by this shoe. I genuinely love it. I think this is one of my favorite collabs to drop this year. I'm not even kidding, like genuinely. This is a really, really different and cool look. And it's not too out there to where I feel like people are staring at me because of how it looks, but I feel like it's a really nice accent. The Off the Hook, or OTH, Reebok Electro 3D 97 drops on March 14th online for a retail price of $160. It should have dropped on March 13th in store, so if you're in Montreal, you should have been able to grab a pair already. If you're looking for a shoe that's different and not many other people are gonna have, this is a great shoe to go for. Huge thank you to OTH for sending over this pair of sneakers. I really, really appreciate it. I would love to know your thoughts on this pair of Reebok OTHs and whether you plan to grab a pair for yourself or whether it's not really something you want. So let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.